If I don't see my part panel, I can always bring it up using the gear icon here. As you can see, if I have, for example, I don't see the part panel here, I can bring it up, click on the gear, go to Parent Parts, click on it, and the parts will be shown. The part panel is an important one, and it allows us to control the building information of our shoe. In this case, I have 3 pieces, and one is the lateral, the other is the medial, and the last one is the strobel. These pieces have a semantic that will be taken into consideration when going to cut. So the strobel is going to be something that I will cut and stitch together the lateral and the medial. What I can do to manipulate these parts, I can click on a part and I'm gonna activate it. When a part is active, everything I create is going to be added to that specific part. For example, here I draw a line, and the line is automatically added to the part. And if I want to add this line also to the lateral, I can simply click the line, right click on the lateral part and go to Add Selected Objects, and that object will be added also to the lateral. If I want to remove this object from both these, I can select them both, right click, remove selected object, and the object will be removed. The parts can also be visible or invisible, and this is marked with this small tick here. If I want to hide the strobel, I can click here and the boundary that is inside the strobel part will be hidden. Visibility and activeness are 2 different things. Whenever I see something, I will have this small tick in here, and when I have something that is active, I will have a big tick and it will be selected, and there is a flag in the active column. What I can do when I have an active part, I can hide the rest to work on just that specific part. I am telling the plugin that I want to work on the medial. So I click on the toggle master that will hide anything that is not active. Here I have 2 options to edit this. The first is to activate everything that is generating this part. So if I toggle this, all the lines and the notches that generate the boundary that is in the medial part will be shown, and then I can move the notch, for example. Or if I hide the generating lines and I directly go to edit my boundary, I will see the lines that I have that are used by the boundary to generate itself. Whenever I am satisfied and I click, these lines will be hidden.